Hi guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some pizza today, right? So what I'm gonna start off with is the dough, right? So for the dough, I'm gonna use 3 cups of flour, right? 1, 2, and I'm just gonna add in my last cup, as 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Be a little healthy now. All that is. Okay, and next I'm gonna add sugar and salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I already measured this out, so I'm just gonna add it to the mixture. And then I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients together. Give it a little mix to make sure everything is incorporated. And then I'm gonna use 1 cup of warm water. And I'm gonna incorporate everything and make it into a dough. So when I add the warm water, the instant yeast will activate. So I got my warm water here, so I'm just gonna make a little hole in the center and add the warm water a little bit at a time. And I'm just gonna mix it in until this forms a nice dough, and then I'm gonna put it on the counter and knead it out. Last of the water. If the dough is a little wet, you can always add some flour, so that's why we have some flour to put on the wood surface, and we just add gradually to make sure it's pliable. So you can see it pulled away from the sides and it's like a little ball. I'm gonna put this onto the work surface and I'm gonna knead it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Right, so this is my work surface. I'm just gonna lightly dust this. And then I'm gonna empty my dough, lightly flour it. I'm gonna knead it. So I kneaded this for a while now, and as you can see, it's smooth. So I'm gonna grease a bowl with some olive oil, and then I'm gonna leave it to rest for approximately an hour until it doubles in size. So I have the bowl here just washed, and I'm gonna put the dough in to rest. Before I put it in, I'm gonna just lightly oil it with some olive oil. Put this dough in to rest. So I'm going to cover this and let it double in size for approximately an hour. Okay, so while my dough is resting, I'm going to cut up some of this seasoning. This is go with my sauce. I don't have much Italian seasoning, so I'm using some local seasoning as well to spice up the sauce a little bit and add a little more depth and flavor. So I'm just going to cut up these fine into little pieces, mince it up, and I'm going to add it to my tomato sauce for the pizza. So I'm gonna just saute some onions, garlic, and just sort of build the flavor, build the foundation of the sauce. And I'm gonna just add in the rest of the ingredients. So you're gonna see that right now. I'm gonna add some olive oil to start it off with. I'm gonna put in the onions. Make sure that you get a nice translucent color in the onion before you throw in the garlic. And then you're gonna start the base of the sauce with the tomatoes. So now I'm gonna add in the garlic as well. And then I'm gonna add some of the dry seasoning, which is the Italian seasoning. So I'm just adding what I have, and I'm gonna substitute with our local herbs and spices. Let it burn a little bit and release the flavors. I'm gonna put in some oregano as well too. Then I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. Well, not tomato sauce, but diced tomatoes, and then I'm gonna blend it up. So this is the base of the sauce we're going for. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And I'm gonna add my shallot. So feel free to taste as you go along, and you could always add different flavors to enhance it according to your taste buds. Last, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna give this a little blend with my hand mixer. I have blended up the sauce with the hand mixer. This is how it looks. I tasted it, a little salty, but what I'm gonna do, I have the pineapple slices, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the syrup and I'm gonna put some in here and mix it up, so just to bring out the sweetness of it. A little bit of the syrup. So next, I'm just gonna cook the chicken a little bit. So this is my sliced up chicken. I seasoned it already. I'm gonna add some olive oil to this saucepan and just lightly cook it. So I'm gonna add some olive oil, swirl it around. I'm gonna add my chicken. Just cooking my chicken a little bit before I put it on the pizza topping. This is basically the color that you're looking for in your chicken when you're cooking it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna organize my toppings for the pizza and dice up these, so you're gonna see that in a bit. I have all my toppings organized. As you can see, my chicken, sweet pepper, mushroom, pineapple, and onions, as well as my sauce. So right now I'm gonna look at the dough, cut it in 3 pieces, knead this out, roll it, and I'm gonna put it in the tower, just brown the bottom, and then I'm gonna leave it to cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna start to organize my pizza and put it to bake. So my pizza have rested for like probably the dough an hour. So if you watch it, expand quite nicely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna punch it. That's just to dissipate the excess air inside it. And I'm gonna flour the surface. this to the side for now. I'm gonna work on this one. So we're gonna knead this into our bowl, and then I'm gonna take my rolling pin, roll it out. So as you can see, I put the dough on the tower. I just bring in the bottom of it so it gets a little cooked before I actually put it into the oven, so it doesn't take that long to cook. So you want to put it with a spoon and then place the back of the spoon and just spread it in. I added all my cheese already, and now I'm gonna organize the toppings for the pizza. I'm just gonna place these around the pizza. Put the topping in my pizza, so now I'm going to add the meat to it. So this is some chicken which I cooked. So I'm just going to add a few. There's just some extra cheese I grated, normal cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to sprinkle on top of it. See, the pizza is finished. So it says a whole grain, whole wheat pizza. I'm gonna slice it. Pizza cutter. So now for the taste test. So I'm just going to take out the slice. As you can see. So let's see how it tastes. Really good. The toppings are nice and fresh. And the crust is thin and crispy, just how I like it. Very nice.